Hello everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm gonna help you learn how to see mutual friends on Snapchat. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. In order to see and find mutual friends on Snapchat, start by tapping open your Snapchat application and sign into your account first. If you have a Snapchat account, you'd probably want to be more comfortable in Snapchatting with the people that you know or within the circle of your friends. If you do, then adding mutual friends can also be one of the quick and easy ways you can increase your Snapchat friends even faster. From your camera screen of Snapchat, go to your profile by tapping on the profile emoji at the upper left corner, and soon after you do that, under Friends, tap on Add Friends. From the list of mutual friends shown in the Quick Add section, tap on the Add button in order to add any of the mutual friends that you have. This Quick Add feature is a way of Snapchat recommending friends based on the friends that you already added in Snapchat. Some of the recommendation might be someone you know as well. Instead of adding mutual friends, you can also let other mutual friends find you through the Quick Add feature. To do so, you'll need to go to your settings. From your profile, tap on the settings button at the upper right corner, and once you tap on it, scroll all the way down. Under Who Can, tap on See Me in Quick Ads option, and make sure that the box that says Show Me in Quick Ad is checked. After you enable this feature, it helps people find you easier on Snapchat, and you'll be appearing in others Snapchatters' Quick Add list if you share mutual friends or another connection. That is how you can view and add mutual friends on Snapchat. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.